Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching TechMade Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to add extra row or how to add more rows on your table in your Google Sheet web on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So here I'm just going to show how to add more rows on your table in your Google Sheet web on your computer. First, we're just going to insert a table here. Just going inside the table option. Click on this table and just going to insert any one of the table here. Okay, so we just inserted a table here. I'm just going to have a percentage and percentage. So here we have 1, 2. So there is a 15 row. I just need to add more row. You can see an option here called add and more rows than bottom. For an example, I just need to add up 2 rows. Just click on the 2 option and click on the add option. It automatically add rows. The same process, you can add more rows. For an example, if you just need to add a 1 row, just click on this 1 option and click on this add option, it add row. Need to add a row here, so right click on your mouse and you will see an option called insert row on the table above or like that. Click on this, which insert a table above like this. So this is how you just insert rows, extra rows on your table on your Google Sheet web on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.